Hello crochet friends, today I'm going to be showing you a very basic stitch, and that is known as a slip knot. So with the slip knot, what you do with it is you basically use it for when you're making a magic circle or when you're wanting to just do a couple of chains. So the way you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab your yarn. So this end is your tail end and then this one is your working yarn. So with your tail end, you're going to go ahead and cross it over your working yarn. And you're going to create this loop here. And then with your working yarn, you're going to go ahead and grab some of it and create another loop, just like that. So with that loop, you're going to go ahead and insert it through the first one that you created. And then you're going to go ahead and grab your tail end and pull it so it can create a knot, just like that. And that is your slip knot. So to do it again, you're going to go ahead and grab your tail end, cross it over your working yarn, you create that loop here, you grab some of your working yarn and you create another loop just like that. You're going to go ahead and insert that through that first loop, grab your tail end and pull it through to create a knot. Now don't make the knot too tight or else it's going to be hard to make this loop smaller, because with your hook you're going to go ahead and insert it through that loop. And you're going to go ahead and pull it through with your finger, just like that. If you need to make it bigger, you can actually just do it with your fingers and just pull it to make it bigger. But most of the time, you're going to need to make it smaller. You grab onto the tail end and pull your working yarn, and that is your slip knot.